I have a scrumptious treat I'm whipping up for you. You're gonna love this skillet apple cobbler because it's so super simple. And it's so tasty. It like brings all those warm, happy feelings all over every bite. So first we are going to take a cast iron skillet, key cast iron skillet, about a 10-inch to 13-inch like I have here. And we're gonna put it on medium heat and get it warmed up. And then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter, throw it in the skillet. We are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna kind of mix that all together, get it nice and kind of blended up until the butter is all melted. The aromas already are smelling amazing. There is nothing like butter and cinnamon that just gets the saliva glands going. I am a big apple cobbler, apple pie kind of person. So I love this recipe, and when I found it, it was so simple that I could have one of my favorite treats so quickly. And I thought you guys would love to know about it. Now that it's melted, we're gonna take the butter and cinnamon and pour it over 5 large cut apples. Now we're just gonna stir this up until it's all coated. Once you get your apples all mixed up, pour them back into your skillet, and we're gonna cook it on the stovetop on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. While the apples are cooking, we're gonna put together our crumb topping. So we're gonna take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, put it in a medium to large size bowl. We are going to take a 1/2 cup of pecans, throw those in. We're gonna take a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Put that in as well. And a 1/2 cup of sugar. I've got coconut sugar here. And we're gonna need 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Throw that in. And we're gonna mix it all together. Our apples are softened. We need to pull them off of the heat. I've been stirring them about every minute to make sure that it gets nice and softened each one. And we're gonna take our crumble topping and we're just gonna use our hands. We're gonna take some of it and sprinkle it over the top. Just like this. The smells and the aromas are amazing. I don't know, there's just something about butter and apples and cinnamon that just always gets my tummy grumbling. Now we've got our crumb topping on, and the last thing to do is to stick it into a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. So come on, let's stick it in. I love sticking apple cobbler, apple pie, pretty much apple anything into the oven. All right, so it is finished. The aromas are amazing. My stomach is growling from it. You smell that cinnamon and the great little toasted of the pecans with the apples. Oh, it's delightful. It's finally cooled off and now it's ready to taste. Oh, I've been waiting all day for this scrumptious, delicious apple cobbler. Okay, you're gonna need 2 bowls because one's for now and one's for later. That's how good this is. This tastes exactly like an apple pie in a bowl. Not kidding you. Not only does the house smell amazing, but the tummy is really happy for it. You've got the cinnamon and the apples. You've got the crunchiness of that crumb topping, which gives the perfect added flavor to make it taste like it is actually a pie crust. Not kidding you, but this is so much simpler and just as satisfying. I hope it warms your tummies as much as it has mine and it becomes one of your go-to treats. I love you.